Hey guys, welcome to Trade Confident. We're going to go over Vechain today. Are we about to explode? I think we are. I'll give you guys some projections of where I think we're going to go. We're also going to be going over the Vechain metrics today, the emotional index, the market cap strength, trades in favor, well-institutional smart money, support resistance prices, as well as dollar cost average entries, and I'll show you guys how to get into a trade setup. And guys, speaking of trade setups, we have never lost a single crypto trade ever with our strategy. If you guys are new to this channel, subscribe, like the video, guys. I will show you exactly how to trade with our strategy. Last trade we took was a 9.92% profit on SHIB, and then the remaining 50% of that trade, we exited about 4%. So I'm excited to dive in with you guys today and teach you guys all about this. All right, VET, let's dive in. From a retail trader perspective, the indicators for retail traders are majority bearish this morning, which from looking at this, I expect retail traders to be looking for this overall momentum because we're below the 50, 100, and 200 moving average, the momentum of the price below these averages to push this down even further. Now, as far as a move down, guys, I don't think we have too much further to go. I want to show this to you over here with a rectangle. This is where we have the strongest level of support. It's right down at this area because we can see multiple times here where the price came down and touched this area. So if we are going to move down any further on what would be literally a descending triangle pattern, this is where we're probably going to head. It's going to be right down to about 4.6 cents. Now, you guys need to be watching this. I did a video 2 days ago saying one of the coins like Link, like Cardano, like VET, that are just so low right now that I really believe is a really good time for you guys to get into the market right now with a long trade or get into some dollar cost average holds for maybe 5 to 10 years. One of those coins is VET. When we start getting down to this point right here, an incredible amount of pressure is going to form, and this is where the price breaks to the upside. I purposely formed this formation over here to show this to you guys. This is just what happened on VET. Now let's give ourselves some realistic predictions here. The breakout from this last pattern ended up pushing us up 86.38% in a matter of 13 days. Okay, this was about a reversal of just past a 50% retracement on the previous trend. So if we come over here and we look at this and we say, all right, let's say if we break it right about the same area and we look for just a 50% retracement here, we could be seeing about, I say with, same time duration within about 13 days, we could be seeing about a 42% pump. And I think that's actually more realistic than just saying it's just going to pump to structure high. This right here, looking at VET getting to about 0.72 cents, within the next 13 days, which put us right around mid-May, is very realistic. So if you guys are in the market, you have money on the side in your bank accounts, and you're like, I wonder if I should get into some coins. I really think VET is a good way to get in right now. Get in at these lower prices before this thing actually breaks, because this is a bullish pattern. Let me show you guys this. Price risk well money flow and trend exhaustion indicators. These are in the description. Make sure you guys snag these. Watch this. There's a reason for it. We are able to predict pumps and drops before they happen. When you guys see the trend exhaustion in the top red section here, well money flow high, watch for the drop back down in crypto. This is showing you guys literally the well money going into the exchange, and when it starts buying, they are going to eventually sell. They will eventually sell, and that's what this is showing you guys. When you start getting high parameters up here and the indicator starts getting high, and you can confirm that the trend exhaustion is high, this is where the price is going to start reversing back down. And it is called these drops with incredible accuracy. So if you guys are short traders out there, you guys are licking your chops right now, being like, oh my gosh, think of the money you guys could be making on these drops. So I want to show that to you guys. Also, for those of you guys who know our scalping strategy, which I'll show you guys in the second half of this video, if you guys see trend exhaustion low down here and well money flow low, you guys are looking to scalp the markets for a 3 to 4% profit. That is it, 3 to 4%, and you guys are getting out. So the full duration of this move here is about 10.85%, so plenty of money and time for you guys to get in and out of that trade. So great job. Right now we are looking at a possible setup for another scalping trade for you guys. I'd like to see well money flow get a little bit lower, but watch for the entry here for the scalp. If you guys even wanted to get in right now, it's not a bad idea to try to scalp this for 3 to 4%. Okay, let's go over to the metrics now. VET, the emotional index right now, is sitting at the anxious section. When the market gets anxious and fearful, guys, that's where we're seeing correlations of price action moving back up. Price action moving up here, price action moving back up. So the next move in crypto and altcoins, guys, I strongly believe is a move back up. Market cap. Looking at the market cap of VET, be honest with you guys, it's not necessarily very bullish. Money is moving, literally tens of millions of dollars are moving out of Vechain right now while the price is dipping. But when the price dips, as well as the market cap. This is where people lose interest. And I'm telling you guys, wells and institutions are going to start looking to purchase down here and shoot this back up. It's happened many times before. So let me show this to you. Trades in favor today. Absolutely. If you guys are looking for trades, I definitely believe it's a good long trade. Again, if you guys are looking at this metric over here, trend exhaustion low, well money flow coming down, I'd wait a little bit more on this, guys. We should wait a little bit more, maybe like structure low here, and look to get into a scalping trade for 3 to 4% profit. And that's where you guys can get in and do some really good wins here. I'll show you guys testimonials later in the video of what our traders are doing. Well, institutional smart money. These guys are acquiring the long trades like crazy right now. Look at the aggressiveness that just came out. We can see that when wells and institutions start going long, the price is due for a move up. When they went short over here, this is where the market was pumping up here and people are thinking we're going to the moon. No, this much pressure on the price from wells institutions smart money will see a push back down in price. We saw it over here. They literally stopped this price from going up here, put shorts out in the market and dropped it back down. But guess what? During this consolidation period, what was happening? All the long trades were coming out. If you guys just stay on the sides of wells and institutions with these metrics, you guys will start trading a whole lot better. I promise you, okay? Support and resistance prices. The strongest resistance we have is at 6.4 cents. 6.4 cents is sitting right about here. So when we look at this, if we start seeing a move back up, I do believe we'll see a little bit past this. I think a 50% retracement is absolutely possible. So 42% in the next 13 days of when this breaks. That's what I'm looking for. Projected into the future, I would say about by May 15th, we could be seeing this broken and starting to head up into the next bull run. So getting money in now into VET and setting up long trades, which I'm going to show you in this video, is what I would highly recommend you guys do right now. And then I will actually call an exit for this trade, and I'll show you at the end of this, in just 1 second, of where we're currently at, of how to exit in the profit. All right, let's continue. Dollar cost average entries here. This came out and said, hey, if you've got $10,000, you want to throw $1,000 into the market, this is where you guys want to be getting in. A great dollar cost average entry for those of you guys who are diamond hand holding. All right, this is the trade setup. If you scroll straight down on the VET page, you guys will see this. Real quick before I transition you guys into how to trade our strategy and how to get the indicators and all that, let me show you the current trade setup that we actually have going on for VET. This is actually the one in the Telegram channel that we're managing right now. This is what we're currently looking like. So yes, VET has crashed a lot. We're down here quite a bit, but what we can see here, guys, let me take this off here for 1 second, is that because we've used buy limits, our break-even entry has screamed down here. Seriously, there's a lot of people who FOMO'd in back here who didn't use our strategy that unfortunately, I literally just got an email from, a text message from somebody, and they're like, man, I don't know how they got my number, by the way. Anyways, it's still a mystery I'm trying to figure out. But some people who FOMO'd in here, literally, they're down about 68, 69%. Okay, we're saving ourselves close to 20% because we use dollar cost average entries. This is why our portfolio right now is doing so well. And we're sitting at 129,000 out of 150, which is about 15% down instead of 50 to 60% down that most traders are experiencing right now. Okay, it is so important that you guys follow this risk management strategy and you guys learn how to trade this. So I'm gonna transition you guys in this video of how to actually trade our strategy, get our indicators. So don't miss this. And I'll even show you guys some profits of what our traders are making. So check that out, guys, right now. Hey guys, thanks so much for watching the analysis. Let me show you guys how to get into a trade setup right now for the coin that you're viewing. On the front page of tradeconfident.io, you're going to see all the coins that we cover. Every single one of these, obviously the one I just covered in this video, you guys can see here. Click on any of these coins. I'm going to use Bitcoin for an example, and here is how we have literally never lost a single crypto trade ever. I'm going to teach this to you guys right now so you can follow along, and I'll show you guys how to get into our membership and get our indicators the best deal possible today, okay? Whatever video you guys were just watching, follow me on this, okay? No matter what coin I was just covering for you guys. What you're going to see is 4 different buy limits on each of our coins, on all of our metrics at the bottom of every page. What you guys are going to do is you're going to choose the amount that you want to enter in with. Let's say it's $1,000. That $1,000 is then split up into 4 equal portions, so $250. You are going to place that $250 at each of the 4 buy limit lines here in yellow. So $250 here, $250 here, $250, and $250. This will give you guys extremely good risk management, which is honestly part of the reason why we've never lost a trade and why we have the healthiest account right now in bear markets when the market does go down. Okay, it is because of the good risk management. Once the first buy limit is hit, you guys want to set up a sell limit in your exchange for a 100% exit up here at the green price. And you're going to see this on every single one of our cryptos. If you want a video, then you guys are more visual, watch the video at the bottom of the page and you guys will learn that. Once you guys have this set up, make sure you guys follow me in Telegram because you guys will end up getting all of the exits that I call out for all of our team. Literally all of the win rates that we have, all the entries and the exits will be called out in Telegram. So this is how you guys access this. Come over here to pricing. Our win rate is going to be updated right here. Obviously, when you're watching this, it's probably going to be a lot higher. But guys, we are only charging you $95 a month. It is the cheapest membership you can get for this type of service here. All of the metrics for each of our coins, you guys can spy on the whales, see what the whales are doing, trade with the institutions, getting, the trades in favor, the best trades to take for the day, all those are yours. The Telegram channel, you guys also get all the entries and exits for all the calls that I'm making. The master classes that I've literally taught hundreds of millions and billion-dollar hedge funds, literally I've taught them those principles. You guys can watch that in the master classes over here. And then something we added that you guys said you just love is we added a community chat. I'm like, you know what? If we're winning all these trades and the users who have actually used our strategy, if you guys have followed me to a T and you literally just copied me in the Telegram channel, which you guys can access here, you guys have never lost a trade with our main strategy or our scalping strategy, which I'll show you in this video here. But come into the chat, talk to other traders. We're looking for trade setups and we're just talking about the markets. And then on top of that, every month, once a month, I do a live Zoom call with everybody. So if you're part of the membership, I will post that out here. It's going to be in the Inner Circle Hangout. You guys will see me post the date, and then I'm going to give you guys a Zoom link, and we'll all hang out together, okay? Last but not least is the indicators. The indicators are on sale. You guys want to snag it. It is our best deal we have. It is 82% off right now. Now, there may be times when you guys watch this video where it will be different. Just make sure you check this right here to get the best deal always on our indicators. The three that you really want are the price versus well money flow, trend dashboard, and trend exhaustion. If you use coupon code SAVEMONEY at checkout, you'll get 40% off today on the first three. If you use Save Money, you'll get 60% off the other 6 indicators here. But since we have this going on right now, you guys actually get 82% off all of our indicators. It is just the best deal hands down. Now, if you guys want to purchase them individually, or if you've ever purchased indicators individually from us, just email us at betradeconfident@gmail.com and we'll just give you guys a PayPal invoice, pay the difference, and we'll just give you guys the rest of the indicators. And I don't want you guys overpaying at all. These 2 indicators are Forex indicators. They've never been coded on TradingView before, and we jokingly call this the pressure gauge, which is like the jackpot indicator. So please use it responsibly, guys. But the indicators you guys really want to get is the bundle pack, because that is the best deal. It's a one-time purchase. You get the indicators for life, and you also get the source codes to all of the indicators. And these indicators are helping us go literally 100% win rate. And I told you guys I'd show you this. The scalping masterclass has yet to lose as well. Go to the masterclasses and click right here on Masterclass 7, how to scalp with our indicators and metrics. You guys will see exactly how people are doing. And speaking of how people are doing, I'll end the video with this, guys. The testimonials are crazy. This will update as you guys are on our website. This guy did $2,777 on the EOS pump. He has all 3 indicators I just talked to you guys about: trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow, and trend dashboard. Okay. This guy down here does $485, and then he does $661 the day after, and then it just gets nuts, guys. This guy does $23,000 using our 2 indicators, trend exhaustion, price versus well money flow, in one single week. He's like super blessed. Great masterclasses, by the way. Watch the masterclasses, guys. Literally, the mental game is everything, and I teach you guys how to master the mental game of trading, which is what hedge funds and institutions do, and unfortunately retail traders don't know, and I'll teach you guys how to do that. This guy does $6,310 with the indicators and the strategy. You guys can see that right here. $3,500 with the indicators and the metrics. The metrics are crazy, guys. This guy down here does $1,376, and then this is just nuts. $43,000 on a single trade with our indicators, trend exhaustion, and price versus well money flow. This guy does $100 to $400 a week on average. And this guy up here, I think he said he does about $4,000 a month. Yeah. Since joining the Trade Confident membership last month, I'm using the trend exhaustion and the price versus well money flow, making about $4,000 per month. Pretty stinking awesome. So guys, that's what you need. Everything is linked in the description of this video, and I pinned it to the first comment of this video. So make sure you guys get the membership. You guys will get access to everything I showed you here, into the Telegram channel, access to the Telegram channel right here, and then make sure you guys are getting the indicators on sale, because that is the best deal we've got going, which is presented right here to you guys. All right, God bless you guys. Have an amazing day. Thank you so much for subscribing, liking, commenting, get everything set up, and I'll see you guys in the next videos. I love you, and I'll see you later. Bye, guys.